Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, and today I'll show you how you can put this device into safe mode. So to get started, we need to turn off our device, and you can either do that by pulling down your notifications and selecting the power button, or by holding volume down and power button at the same time. And this will also give us our boot options. In here, instead of selecting the power off option, you want to hold it, and this will then change into safe mode. And click on it once more, and this will now reboot the device, and once it's back up, it automatically boots up into the safe mode. Now, that being said, in safe mode, only the pre-installed applications will function, and any application that you have downloaded yourself will be temporarily turned off, and neither you nor the application can start itself. And one more thing to keep in mind, that apps that you have downloaded are ones that will be turned off, but also Samsung applications that come pre-installed with the device, or maybe not pre-installed, but that Samsung downloads automatically once you set up the device, also fall under that category. So as you can see, we have things like Clock, Samsung Free, Gaming Hub, even the browser, and a bunch of other like benign applications, like for instance calculators, calendars, and all that stuff. So these are all the applications that Samsung downloads after the setup, and that's why they become disabled when you boot up into safe mode. Once you're done needing this mode and you want to go back to the normal one, all you would need to do is just pull down your notification again, select the power button, and choose restart. When the device boots back up, it automatically goes back to the normal mode. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.